How to change quality on your YouTube Shorts videos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to change your YouTube Shorts video quality. So first thing, just head over to your YouTube application and let's say I want to increase or decrease, change my YouTube Shorts video quality. So I'll just select any one of this random YouTube Shorts videos. So to simply increase or decrease its quality, what I have to do is just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and once I'm inside here, just tap on this quality section and you can click on this higher picture quality based on your choice, and just like that you'll have successfully changed your quality under your YouTube Shorts videos. You can also choose auto if you are using data and don't want to use more data. So since you are using Wi-Fi, you can always put it on the higher picture quality, so for the better video quality as well. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.